Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is a long-awaited video, a very special video, and I know that I've been posting a lot of hauls. This isn't one of them. This is my Hobonichi Weeks 2020 flip through. So I'm doing this live audio because it's going to be really difficult not to do that. So I've been sick a while, that's why it took me a while to film this video, but here we go. Thank goodness. We are here now. Alright, so when you open this up, this is a Hobonichi Weeks Mega Navy, and when I have the COC here, and in the COC we have BTS members. So this is an official photo card for Map of the Soul 7, and this is JK. And we also have this little postcard of Jin for Map of the Soul Persona. Very cute. And then I don't have anything, any decors on this front matter because I like the pattern that Hobonichi chose for this part. So nothing on there. And then you open it up. This is the title page, and this just has this giant die cut sticker that I had in my shop back in 2019. I believe this was a Black Friday, no, so 2018. I forget, but this was for autumn. We had an autumn sale. And then back when I still had my shop, I also had this, and this was the calendar stickers. And this was fitted for 2019, but I just cut off the other bits and used it for 2020. And I don't usually use these pages, so this is your yearly overview. And then we have our monthlies. So this was the first month, and in Australia, December and January and February are summer months. Still summer months, and then I started to play around with BTS photos as well. So this was a kit from my shop that I am no longer keeping up with. Well, I don't have it anymore because it's difficult to do that when you're doing your PhD, so I had to not do that anymore. But no regrets. So I have this one, it's unused. I was feeling off because this was when the restrictions had started, and you can really, at least I can tell when it's a good month and when it's not. So here I'm trying to get back up on my feet because this is my birthday month. And then we have May. May is a good month. I didn't know May was the good month. I guess it is. So here I got very, very busy because this was my, I'm preparing for my confirmation by June. And July I wasn't using my Hobonichi. Even August, September, October, starting to use it again. And then we have November, which is this month, and it is very well loved. So the December part, I have already migrated this to my 2021 Hobonichi. But I need to do another plan with me for December 2020 in my 2021 Hobonichi. So this actually goes all the way to March, but I won't be using these pages anymore. So here's my first week. Starts in the first week of December. So that's why we have a little bit of November. And I think this was very minimal. It was a very special week because my husband came to Brisbane to live with me while I'm here studying. And then that aesthetic carried on. And a lot of people really loved this spread, this particular one, when I first posted it. Very busy time here. And then Christmas time. So for those pages, I use the Happy Planner. But these ones are, I think some of them are Happy Planner, some of them are not. And then I got very into very minimal deco. So I was originally, you know, an all kit person, just like this one, but I had started to go ahead and play around with not using kits. But for here, see, the thing about using kits is that it really helps you organize the space. If you are already on a particular system that works with a specific kit format, then planning with a kit really takes up not a lot of time. It's very quick because you already know what to do. But at the same time, if you want to get creative, you know, there's very limited things that you can do if you are on a kit. But it still looks very good. This is super cute. So here are some of the pages that I have with kits, and this one is a full page just dedicated to BTS. This is Map of the Soul's release day. And I think this is the time where I really got into BTS. I found BTS around October of 2019, and this is when I really went deep diving into it. So this is actually a special spread because it opens up and you have JK, and then you have all of the members here. And I really love this spread. It's one of my favorite ones here. Then a very blue one. This one's just cute. And then this is, I believe, the last one that I used the kit on. And then I don't think I used the kit anymore. So I was not using my Hobonichi as much. This one I decorated, but I never got to use it. This is from 𝒕𝒉𝒅𝒄 shop. Make sure to check her out. I think she has a website or an Etsy. I'm going to link it down below. So this one didn't use. I think okay. I tried to use it. Didn't quite work. This one is a little better. Oh, I did go back to kits. So as you can see here, it's very organized. This one is particularly nice. It's very clean looking, even though there's lots of little things going on. And I tried to do it again. This is Sailor Moon, one of my favorite kits. And some ice cream. And then this one is our printable. So after we closed shop for physical stickers, we kept up with the printables and it was doing okay. But I just couldn't keep up anymore. I couldn't release anymore. I couldn't design for new releases, I mean. So I just decided to close up shop. And then completely. So this one is the bear one. Oh, still one of my favorites. I have so many favorite kits. This one is also a printable. So this is when, again, I went back to no kits. Oh, and this is when we went to Stradbroke Island, and this kit is for ECLP. That is made by the Glam Planner, and she is one of my favorite shops ever. The next week, I think I was tired and didn't do anything, and then this is towards the end of fall, and I said I need to do fall now or else, and this is very nice. A lot of people love this, and I love it too. And then another spread that uses no kits, but a lot of deco. Oh, and I used the kit here, so I might not have, you know, I was in and out of kits. Ah, okay. And this is when I discovered Mamamoo. And this is Moonbyul. She is my bias for that group. And then I migrated all of my Moonbyul things into my journal. Oh, another one for fall. And then this is my 𝒕𝒉𝒅𝒄 shop PR spread. And then another kit. I thought the kit ended earlier than this, but apparently not. So here, I know I'm not going to be using any more kits because this is when I decided that, hey, I want to try something else. And at first I didn't use like any deco sticker, just functional ones. And then I decided to go ahead and use deco stickers, but just a few of them. So these are the ones that you see like towards the top of my Instagram. So if you're not following me, it is paperjoyph, just like this channel. And this was my first minimalist and functionalist spread with deco. So these ones have plan with me's. So from here is when I started to post my plan with me's regularly. So from there, if you want to see how I made these before the pen pages, make sure to check out my channel. It's one of my favorite spreads, and it is Mamamoo's comeback. I have so many favorite spreads. This one is really good too. Alright, and this is this week. Now this is the last spread that I did for my Hobonichi Weeks 2020. So once again, this is the Navy Mega. And as much as I'd like to show you the back, these are actually journaling pages and it's a little bit personal. So what I did was to use the back as journaling, but it didn't stick because I have so many journals, so I would do it just a few times per year. So that is that. Right, so I'm very excited to start my 2021 journey. If you haven't seen my planning system, I will link that down below as well, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!